Ah! He's coming my way.
He's not here. Dad, he's over here.
Oh, fuck that.
Daddy.
You see him, EJ?
No. Where is he? You see him?
Yeah, I just went to bedroom.
Yeah, you told me not to close that door.
Okay, go around and open the door. Go around and open that door. He's trying to look for a way out.
It's locked! It's locked! I closed it locked. Get out, get out, get out.
Open the door. Oh shit, here it comes. Here it comes, here it comes.
Fuck! Baby, come here.
Where's it at?
That's fucking with me. Dad, where is he?
He's on the deck. Ah! I got the creeps now. Ernest, don't kill him.
He didn't have my leg. He didn't have a choice. He couldn't help.
I don't want to see them.